Good YouTube, it's Mopar Slime in here. Right now we headed to go pick up my coated intake for the 2020 wide body Scat. That's what we got planned for the day. Go Reese up there with the truck.
Got Reese in the car.
That's what we on right now. He gotta get his brakes fixed because he always driving crazy and shit. That's what we headed to. So I'm gonna hit you guys when we get there, so I can show y'all the intake that I just bought for this car. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, my car breathes a little bit better than what it's breathing now, so I get a little bit more horsepower.
Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be breathing.
Cause I'm supposed to get a straight bike today too. But stay tuned for that too.
And we're back. You know,
getting that intake. Feel me? Motor work.
motor work.
I don't fuck with no bullshit.
You know,
You see that right there? You see that right there?
stickers in
You see
too.
that right there?
Yeah, we got the stickers in.
So I ordered my shit here. Damn.
They locked the door.
They close at 4. Boom. They never close. Huh? They close.
Nah, they can't leave the door open.
They say close at 4.
No, it's 3. 3:20 now.
See what he talking about.
Trash already.
Hey, we called on you guys needed something?
Yeah, I'm picking up my intake.
Your what?
Intake. Hey, y'all closed 30 minutes early?
Yeah, dude cut his finger or whatever, and then I don't know, the boss already left. That's his
Oh, he cut his finger. Y'all be ready to go. Y'all don't play. He said he cut his finger. What they gotta do with the client? We just made it.
Right, we made it early too. 30 minutes early.
Imagine that.
Just pushed it.
What's up?
I said, imagine we, boy. I drove all the way from like downtown to come up here.
Damn. We just pushed
Yeah.
it. We paid for it already.
Yeah, we paid for it already.
It should be here. Yeah, he's got it.
We'll double take care of you guys.
All right, thank you, man.
Appreciate it right here.
Wow.
You got cash in the building?
Yes, sir. Ski.
On the detail.
They do everything.
Yeah, everything.
So who's gonna put it on? The shop that we went to.
Huh?
The shop that we went to. What, the tire shop?
Is it still here?
They do that? Huh?
What's your
They
name?
do that? The tire shop? No, the other one, bro. The one that's down the street. They do the muffler.
No,
We gotta help you.
that's bingo, man. I had to send it back.
We don't cash technology. I'll tell my, you pay already? I thought we paid on the phone. I owe it to her.
That's it.
That's in the car.
Yes.
What? The intake? Oh, there it go. Came in. Bingo.
That should do the same shit.
So you have to come in tomorrow.
On the Scotty.
Oh, it's good.
If they have it in the
Wide body. Oh, brody.
Hey, you know them personally, right?
Yeah, caliber stuff.
Yeah. You call me to the
No, because the owner's not. He's the one that checks all that stuff.
I'm gonna try to go to a muffler shop like literally 5 minutes ago.
That shit out
Alright,
west.
sounds good.
It's out west. It goes at 6.
It goes at
You
5.
still gotta pay for this cold air intake?
Oh,
I'm calling you.
I can't put a deposit on that. Oh, that much.
What's your name?
Out. Nah, just tell them check out that.
What is it?
Out. Okay, what's your name?
I got it down for Kevin, but I got it down for an install.
Yeah, I can't respect. Why y'all closing early for? Huh?
No work.
Somebody said Andrew. I said an injury. I need some work. They said an injury. Somebody cut their finger. That's how they laugh. Why would you close out a hole?
I'm not gonna close down the whole shop for one guy cutting his finger.
You gonna put it in for me too?
No, man.
Big intake. Yeah.
He trying to get an intake too for his tripod. Yeah, tripod. He trying to get an intake.
least order it.
Racks
I
on.
have to order it tomorrow, and then it'll come
Racks
the
on.
next day. And tomorrow we popping out.
You know? You know?
Some slight. Mopar slime shit. Yeah, what we do.
See what he talking about?
Yo, you coming tomorrow? If I don't say you can't come, you
Race,
coming.
race and make bread. Y'all see me out here, let me know.
Y'all see
Coming
it?
tomorrow. It's that Mexican. What's the other called?
Track outside.
You tell me what it's called.
I don't know what it's.
And he got the slime shirt on too.
Yeah, we doing that.
Merch coming
And they
soon.
glow in the dark. Don't get it messed up.
Merch coming soon.
Cardi.
Reveal.
Damn, man. I want to hit my shit. Oh, yeah, let me order one.
Fucking here, too.
Cause I'm not coming back up here to order. She told me, the lady told me it was two different ones, the in, and the other one like
It's gonna be hard. Honestly, it's gonna be hard for me to look it up.
This bitch white.
What, the intake? The intake white?
It's white.
yeah, wonder white. You told me it was white. That's silver.
Stupid ass.
If you call us up here tomorrow, she can look it up because they're the ones that look it up. Honestly, too.
She told me it was white. That's alright. I know.
That way she can look it up and you can probably just give her a deposit over the phone.
Oh, we lit.
That way she can whenever you can.
Yeah.
If I order-
Especially for the track. The track hog don't got one. And it's gonna make it wine more too.
We gotta call them.
Go hit it.
Like I said,
it is by tomorrow. Though. I mean
by Wednesday. Oh, what's today? Today's Tuesday, so Thursday. It'll be here Thursday.
at least you get to go to the party bus.
You know?
I don't know what's the difference though.
That's the difference.
Party bus gonna be lit. Man.
Yeah.
Are you sure to tell you the truth? I don't know which one she was talking
Party bus on Friday.
We do all
I
types.
just do the window tint here, man.
I do
don't
the
know.
window tint.
Window tint. I need my windshield tint.
You can take your windshield. What on that? Charger?
How much?
150. Because we only do them in ceramic.
Respect. I respect.
What's that?
It's like a heat
High
rejection.
end,
It's
yeah.
a high-end film.
When you
If you
get
don't want
it.
to put no cheap film on your windshield, there's no point.
Right.
If you're gonna do it light, you get what I'm saying? This is stopping the heat.
150, a decent price though.
Yeah, for what he's saying.
Because everybody for ceramic, everybody charging like $250 for just
yeah.
a windshield.
Yeah.
We do them for 150.
And it's illegal too, so.
Because we can do them as light as 80%, but like I said, there's no point to get them in light. Like I said, that 85% that stops like all the heat and stuff.
85.
So yeah, when you get in the car, it ain't gonna be hot as hell.
That's all I want my shit.
Sun and shit.
Wait, what?
Like the sun.
It
when the
stop,
sun
that
on.
shit stops your car from getting hot in the summertime.
Well, actually, look at
That's
here.
why it's.
If you look
That's
at
why
this one, this
Arizona
is
said
this,
they can get it.
this
That's
is
why I did
regular
that,
film,
cuz.
and this is our ceramic film. As soon as I cut the light on, watch the temperature gauge lift on this one, and that one stays down. This glass is tinted. Watch the gauges; it'll start going up on the regular film,
It's going up on the left.
which is the regular
Yeah, it's
film.
going up. How is it?
And it's only tinted really light. Look how light it is. It's nothing.
So what percent this is?
That's 35.
That's what I get.
So you would get
Is
30.
that legal or?
Honestly, you're not even supposed to have nothing on your windshield.
Yeah, you're not supposed to have one.
Well, I got my shit from Arizona. They
I don't got
don't.
no
Also, yeah.
I don't got shit.
So you might be decent. Yeah. Well, we got what we was coming for.
I'll let her know. What is it for the track cost?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll let her know as soon as I get it tomorrow morning. That way she can.
You got the number, right?
They do detailing too. What detail? Like they
Thing your
do
inside, paint correction, and
all
stuff
that
like that. But that's got a mat on it. Where's that wrap?
That's what I.
Yeah, we wouldn't touch that.
Yeah, I know. Don't want to let that.
Yeah, appreciate you, bro.
Alright, man. You guys take it easy, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, give us a call. Like I said, man, I wish I can
I
order
want
it.
to shout out your shit on my YouTube channel. Go ahead.
Oh, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Nah,
Come on, man. Don't be camera shy.
Go ahead.
nah, man. What was the YouTube channel called?
Mopar slime.
Mopar what?
Fine.
Slime?
Yeah. My shirt, bro.
We just started.
I'm gonna check you guys out.
Yeah.
Been doing it though.
Performance detail.
Performance detail, hit us up. Anything you guys need.
Anything y'all need.
Window tint, detailing, high performance parts, whatever you guys need, give us a call, man. 708-444-2450.
All right, man. See you.
Y'all, you say y'all do high performance.
We sell high performance parts.
How y'all sell it?
Correct.
Damn, wait.
What about the pulley?
We get you anything you need, man.
Anything you need.
I'm calling tomorrow.
Bro, I'm
No
gonna
cap.
call y'all tomorrow, too.
Man, you ain't even know that. Go shop there and do it though?
We sell a lot of parts. We can probably find somebody that does it, man. But you'd rather just go to somewhere that deals with this.
I know that's a performance shop.
How you guys doing, man?
You too, bro.
Before the intake.
I think that book changed everything.
See y'all when we get to the muffler shop.
The straight pipe on the 392.
Yeah, I feel loud still.
Stop being scary, boy. You gotta make that noise.
I need front brake pads and front rotors.
Okay, for that truck, right? The brake pads and rotors, the good quality.
Yeah, that's the Takeover. That's the 6.2.
Oh, okay. Those we can do them for like 380.
Come on.
Quite some late. Okay.
Do it.
You got the key and no?
You got it right now?
Yeah, I'm bringing it in right now.
See where we at? America Mufflers and Brakes Auto Repair.
I'll see it.
You want us to leave the resonators, right?
There's the ones in the back.
Those we charge like, it's two that you want. We charge like 240 for both. 240 for both sides.
I like that dance like that.
No, y'all trying to that.
How much we did it?
You did it for like, I had the RT, I don't know if you remember.
RT, the charger, right? The Dodge. I remember we did like 180, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll give you the same price.
Go ahead. This gonna be the spot right here.
We're gonna bring it. I just upgraded to the wide body cat.
So first that one, right? Okay.
Yeah, we go.
First that one and then the other.
I can go pay right now. We're done.
Yeah, when I'm done, I'll tell you.
I'm taking the back seat.
Okay,
How much you gonna charge me?
Let me see. Let me see.
How you feeling?
It's gonna be so fucking loud.
Yeah, bro.
You want me to install them today or tomorrow?
Today you got it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, let me see if I got the pair first. You can also do this one in paint in black. These are stainless steel too. Yeah, and we'll paint it. Like an hour. You got the key? That's this motherfucker right here. Yeah. That's Emmett right there. What you mean?
Nice.
Hey, tell him, man.
We slamming around this bitch. Yeah.
Slack.
That's a little bit. You gotta add the
Yes, sir. Slack. Let's see. Amigo's getting down right now. We're getting busy. Uh-oh. Something under there that's... Uh-oh. Ooh. Let me get out of Senor's way. Sound good as hell. Mufflers and brakes. You feel me? Once again. What are you? Who is that? He wanna call? Boy, that's a regular. You feel me?
Smoking niggas.
Mopar slime activities. You dig that? Nobody don't want no smoke for real. A little 2019 pad by 2018. Yeah, nobody don't want no smoke for real. sure.
What's up, bro?
We just want to appreciate the service, man. This great work, man. You know where we at?
Thank you, bro.
Where we at again?
What you do?
American Mufflers, Old Forest.
Maybe 04s.
You hear
So
that?
y'all come out. They do me and Muffler do lead brakes, all type of auto services. We'll come out, check them out.
Painted the
They do real
tips.
good-ass service, I ain't gonna lie.
Great service, man.
All right, bro.
Appreciate it, brother.
Take care, bro.
Mopar slime activities. That's what we. Bitch, one. Oh no!
What the fuck he thought, man? Why they keep trying to track? Why they keep trying?
Now that in the back, we gone. We gone. Don't come over.
Say what, babe? Why they keep trying to track?
They don't know the track.
That's why I need my brakes and shit done. Why the fuck is they keep trying to track? You record that, right?
Yeah.
Tracking.
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 Motherfucking